Today, I will show you how to connect and stream OBS to Discord. First, open OBS and add your audio and video sources. Once that is set, click on Settings. In the audio section, select your microphone. Then go to the video section and set your video resolution and output resolution according to your preference. When you are done, click Apply and then OK. Next, right-click on the OBS preview window and select Windowed Projector Preview. This will open a new window showing your OBS output. Now, open Discord and go to the server where you want to stream. Join a voice channel and click on Share Your Screen. Under the Applications tab, look for the Windowed Projector OBS option. Select it and start sharing your screen. You are now streaming OBS to Discord successfully. That is how you can connect and stream OBS to Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.